Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a repair on a seat bolster. So as you can see there, the bolster on this driver's side seat has been worn out a little bit, so it does need a little bit of touching up. So that's what we're doing today. I'm going to show you how to do it. So first things first, I got this bottle. It's color matched from Color Lock. It's color matched to the Porsche black interior. It's actually a company out of Western Australia that do it. So bought myself a pack, and away we go. So first thing is first, which is to clean the area. You don't want to be rubbing any contaminants in, so we're going to clean the area thoroughly. So just doing that, and then we're going to apply the product. So it comes with a couple of sponges. So this I was using as my applicator sponge. So as you can see, just popping it on there and then using a second sponge just to smooth it out and distribute it evenly across the chair bolster. So I did a couple of coats of this just because I wanted to blend it well. This doesn't take long to do, so I was happy to do a couple of coats and take my time with it, because even though I did take my time with it, it still only took me about 10 minutes. So it's not a long process at all. So as you can see, just going over it a couple of times, just doing little by little, just a little coat here and there, and then just smoothing it out with the other sponge, and just blending it in. So really and truly, you should be using, I guess, a hairdryer, or I've got a heat gun. So as you can see, the heat gun here, after every application, just to obviously dry it. Obviously don't go too hard with the heat gun. As you can see, I'm making sure that I keep moving the heat gun as I'm using it. I don't want it focusing too much on one spot. So you can see, always moving it and just drying it as we go, looking at the results and seeing if it needs a further touch up. So this problem happens quite a bit within cars, mostly, I guess, sports cars where the seats hug you. This is because, I guess, people get into the cars and they scrape their backsides along the bolster, and it does wear out the bolster, especially if you're wearing belts. That could absolutely scratch the leather. So it is very common, and again, mostly within sports cars where the chairs come around and hug you, because the bolster does stick out in the sports cars. So as you can see, just applying a couple more coats on. Now, I don't want to make it perfect, obviously. I just want to be able to blend it so that you can't really see it from afar. So this is what it looked like before we did any touch-ups, and this is what it looks like now. So as you can see, obviously there's the rips at the top there, which is not much I can do about that, but it has blended in really, really well. You can't actually see it that's really zoomed in. You can't actually see it from afar. So if you look at these photos here, you can't actually see that we've done that, and it blends in quite well with the seat. So like always, thanks again for watching. If you could please like, comment, and subscribe to the video. It really, really helps a small channel like mine, and lets me know you enjoyed it, and allows me to deliver you more content like this. Thanks again for watching.